Let's start the Java tutorial again. Already we saw about math functions. Let me clear this one about the math functions, and today we are going to, in this video we are going to see about if case. If we are going to see about the if case, it's like before we move into the if case normally will work with conditions. If it's like a English, you are going to speak with the you are going to speak with the computer with this language. This is the language you are going to speak with the computer will know understand this language only. That's why we are going to say to this computer, if this case is true, you have to do this one. If the case is false, you have to do this one. This is for this purpose we are going to use the if case. Before we are going entering into the case, we just take a look about what is conditions. Condition is nothing but it will make sure it will give something about true or false. Like we already know boolean y is equal to true. So it means boolean will handle only true or false. So boolean will only handle true or false, right? So the condition will be only boolean, which means it may some kind of equations, it may some kind of equals, it may some kind of definitions, but its output will be true. It is true. Let's, for example, boolean x is equal to, I am saying 5 is equal to 5. So this is always be true. Symbol 5 is equal to true. But this is a condition. 5 is true. 5 is equal to 5. 5 always will be equal to 5. So this is true. The x will be always true. If the 5 is equal to 6 means it is always false. 5 won't be equal to 6. So just before knowing that, I think I show this one. This is operator. This is double equal to is equal to operator. This one is equal to not equal to operator, and this is and this is or. Okay, you have to mostly you will use these things in if case. Okay, this is equal to equal not equal and or. Okay, so I think you may understand these keywords. So now if I example 5 not equal to 6, if I am saying means 5 is this one and 6 is this one, both are always not equal to, so it is true. If I put equal to means I am saying the computer 5 is equal to 6 or not. So the computer will return computer will return 5 is not equal to 6, so it will be false. So now I am asking 5 is not equal to 6 or not. So the system will analyze the 5 is equal to 6 or not equal to 6 or not. So if it is not equal to 6, it will return true. It's based on our question, how we are asking. Okay, that's what it was. So I can ask another one condition too. If and is used for making another one condition, 3 is equal to 3. So now I am asking, first condition is I am asking 5 not equal to 6 or not. So computer will check 5 not equal to 6. So it is not equal to 6, it will be a true. And then it will check here, this is not equal to 3 is equal to 3. So both are equal, so it will give this x will be true. Okay, now what the and will do is, and means it will this one the thing is the first condition, this is one condition, this is one condition, first condition and the second condition both true, in the sense it will return true. If any one is false, it will return false. Okay, that's what the and will do. If it is or, in the sense what means or what will do means, if this one, any one condition is true means it will return true. it doesn't need to be both need to be true. If it is and means both need to be true, this and this need to be true, or means this or this, anyone need to be true, it will return true. It's like a normal basic English, you are just speaking with the computer. Okay, so let's assume two numbers 6 8. This is what the conditions. So and you have equal to, not equal to, plus, greater than, less than, and greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So greater than means if you are checking 1 greater than 5, which means 1 greater than 5, which means it won't check for 5 or 1. It will check from the next letter. It's like if I am checking for 1 greater than 5, 1 is greater than 5 or not. Okay, so 1 is greater than 5 or not, which I am checking, means it won't consider 1. It will consider before 1. So if I am equal to, if I check for greater than 1 greater than or equal to 5, so it will check now first this one check 1 is greater than 5, it is a false, it is normally a false. So if I am 5, I am checking 5 greater than 5 or not, so this will be also false, because this is not greater than this is equal to, so it will false. If I put here greater than or equal to 5, which means it will give true, because the question itself I am asking, it is greater than or equal to true. Okay, I think most of you got it. So this, now we will check the syntax of the if cases. You have to add if I'm here at 6x greater than z. So the warning is about we have fixed index, so if it is a dynamic changing, means it won't show warning, so leave with that. So x greater than z, which means it will come here, else it will show here. So we will print something here, system dot out dot println. I need to print x greater than z, same, x greater than z or not I am going to print. So I will print the same thing there below. Okay, with some message we will. Okay, this is true. False. Okay, so the thing is, if true means this will also true, if false means this is also false. Let's start running this one. Yeah, see, false, because x is not greater than z. X is a 6, this one is. Let's check with 8 both 8, I am saying, right? We will check this condition, greater than and greater than are equal to x is x and both are 8. Let's check run. So now it is false, so now I am adding here is equal to. Okay, the condition is saying as x is greater than or equal to z. Now it is true and true. I think most of you got it, right? Greater than or equal to. So now let me check, let me give you and example. Okay, now I am giving you x greater than z. Okay, so same response I am copying and paste it here. Okay, now let's run. So it is false, because this one will be true, and this is false, because x is not greater than z, x is equal to z. Here we put equal to. So these both are same, not same. This is true, this is false. So if it is and means it is a both need to be true, then only it will come, otherwise it is false. So if it is or means any one need to be true. Now this will work. See, true here. We put or, that's why it's printing a false. So this is what an if condition will do. Thanks. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments, and just wait for me for my another video. Its next will be switch case, for loop, while loop. We have a lot of things to cover. Stay tuned. Thank you.